Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video. Now, this can be kind of a continuation of this video that I made 11 days ago about fixing Safetynet in Google. Now, apparently, this video is now out of date because now there is a new strategy to fix this thing. So, this was mentioned, by the way, by this lovely lad here. So apparently, Google keeps on banning the fingerprints that are used, they're used by default for this play integrity module. So this means we need to grab our own fingerprints from somewhere and we need to keep them secret, basically. So stupid. But anyway, yeah, Google seems to be really drilling this down for some reason. Like, I don't really understand, like, for what. It doesn't really affect them in any way. The only reason I sort of need this is because I like to use Google Pay. It's kind of handy than whipping out your card at the shop. You can just whip out your phone. So yeah, it's nicer. There's no like fucking limit as well, on the Google Pay, whereas it's like 50 euro limit on the if you tap your card. If you're buying shit for more than 50 euro, then you need to enter your PIN and all that shit, which becomes annoying. But yeah, it's not like, oh, look at me, I have root, I can literally edit my fucking account balance. That's not how it works. Obviously, it doesn't matter. Like, it's all like done on the bank side, so it's kind of stupid, all this, to be honest. But it is what it is. If you want to use your phone properly, this is what we gotta do. Now, I actually tried this morning before going to work. And yeah, I guess I picked a shitty ROM. I picked the Asus ROG Phone 5 to do this from. Yeah, so I should probably say what we're doing today. So yeah, we're doing today by basically doing a request here. We're going to be making a video about how to extract a fingerprint and all the other things needed to for this module thingy. So yeah, we're gonna need the build props from the ROM, and we can't really use old devices. So for example, I would have liked to use Android 11 Asus ROG Phone 2 ROM, since that's the phone I'm using, Asus ROG Phone 2, but that hasn't been updated in like, I don't know, 2 years now, maybe more. So yeah, that's not gonna work. So we need some newer device. So that's why I tried doing it with the Asus ROM, but it didn't work. I'll show you why it didn't work. So if you go into integrity checker here, and if you run check this thing, so as you can see, it fails the first one, and this literally means that's the fingerprint, because the basic integrity, I think, is like root detection, but the device integrity is the fingerprint detection. So this means that the Asus ROG Phone 5 fingerprint is banned. So that's why we need to use something else. Now, I did find another ROM that I could use. I called it random ROM 2. Let me just delete all of this stuff. Well, actually, I won't delete this one yet. I'll just delete this one. So yeah, to set this up, you need a couple of things here. Let me just grab some stuff. So if you head over to my Telegram chat, I'll probably link these links in the YouTube comment or YouTube description as well. But anyway, what we need is a couple of these fucking things. Now, first of all, if you go into the play integrity fix Magisk module by this guy, Chitteroman, or whatever you say his name is. So yeah, he released a few versions here. If you want to spoof your own custom props, which we are going to be doing, you'd want to use this dev version. So as you can see on my phone here, I have the dev version there. So that's what we'll be using. And we basically will be just writing to this file. So next thing we need to do is we need to actually grab the build prompt or the build props. So here is a nice kind of way to do it if you want to read his guide fully, but this will just basically what I'm doing. He also made a script here, go here. This just generates what we need basically. So yeah, this is the script I have here. I called it fuck you because I was a bit frustrated in the last video. So the problem was I was trying to edit files from Windows on the phone, and I had some serious difficulty for no reason. So that's why I just called it fuck you, but that's basically what it is. It's just this script here. So just copy the code into a .sh file and you should be good to go. Oh yeah, and all this stuff you won't have at the moment. We will be generating, or we'll be extracting those more accurately. So for this guide, you won't need a PC at all. Well, I'll try doing it without a PC as a nice fun little challenge, but like everything you need, you shouldn't need a PC. Yeah, so anyway, once you downloaded your random ROM, what you want to do is you want to extract it. So just do this, with your file manager, extract to random ROM 2. So yeah, when you're downloading the random ROM, download, the kind of full ROM if your phone has that, because sometimes you can find OTA stuff, and I don't think the OTA stuff will work for you. So just find the full ROM. So they're usually like 3 gigabytes, around that size. So it might take a while for you. But anyway, once you're inside here, so yeah, there is a zip here. So this is what we need. We don't need all this trash. I'll be different for everyone. So for example, on the other one, on the Asus ROG one, it just had a payload.bin here. So, and then I just used payload dumper to extract it. So I'm just actually going to delete this output. Yeah, so here's the payload.bin from the Asus ROG Phone 5. And yeah, you just use that. But anyway, on here, this is a little bit different one. Let me see, extract here, 5 gigabytes. Okay, it's pretty big. Yeah, so as you can see, this is already extracted as such, so we don't need to use payload dumper. If you don't know how to use payload dumper, if you do need it, you can go on to one of my videos actually. It was like a really old one for routing. So if I just search for routes here, yeah, I think it's this one. Let me see. So the working
Hello,
guide.
ladies and gentlemen.
Christ, this is a very long time ago. But yeah, it'll still work. Yeah, so this is using the magic patched method. And so payload dumper. Why did I put it on Mediafire? Okay, whatever. Just search for payload dumper like in the search bar. And then you can watch the video how to use it. And then just download this one, VM03. And then off you go. But anyway, now this is done. So yeah, so we have this anymore. So yeah, we have system, other, yeah, we'll need this one, system, and we might need vendor image as well. So we need to mount these bad boys here. So what I am going to do is I'm going to copy system, I'm gonna copy vendor. Well, I'm gonna move it into here. I am also going to create a new folder called system inside here. And I am going to create a new folder called vendor, like so. Now, next what you want to do is you want to type in some commands here. So open up Termux, like so. Type in su to go to root mode. So now you type in who am I, you are root. So next what you want to do is you want to go cd. Let me actually make this a little bit bigger for you boys. So yeah, this should be fine if I just kind of increase it like this. Yeah, since you don't really need to see my keyboard anyway. Yeah, there we go. All right. Oh, fuck's sake. Fucking. God damn it, man. This piece of shit. Windows. Okay, there we go. So now it should be a little bit bigger. I can make it even more bigger since. Yeah, there we go. So what I'm gonna do cd sd card, and then I just called my folder why you do this Google, like so. Then I want to go into random rom2. I'm show it random rom2. And so yeah, here we have our system image and vendor image. So to get the commands here, yeah, so it should be, where the fuck? Yeah, there we go. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna type in mount, followed by T, followed by ext4, followed by O. Jeez, why is there so much space? Anyway, O, then followed by loop, followed by our system image here. So just type that in, system.image, and we're going to be mounting it into the system folder that we just created, like so. Invalid argument. What if I did it like this? Fuck. Okay, well, looks like we're gonna have to do this on the PC. So yeah, it's sad. Anyway, on the PC, what you need is this tool here. It's called ex2 explore or something like that. ex2 read maybe. Yeah, so just download this thing. Yeah, ex2sf.net. All right. Yeah, this looks about right. It looks like a page from the 1980s, so that's how you know it's good. So yeah, download this thing. I'll just leave this link for you boys, and let me open it for my. Oh yeah, first of all, make sure your phone is actually mounted on the PC. What the fuck happened there? Okay. Right. Well, I'll need to run this again. Okay. Yeah. God damn it. I'll need to run, yeah, make sure you run ext2 explore as an administrator. All right, now we're back. I think. Okay, yeah. So, anyway, what you wanna do? Jesus, what the fuck? What you wanna do is open up this thing, your phone, go into why you do this Google, random rom2, then system image. So yeah, this will take a while to copy to the phone. But once it does, we should be able to find the build prop thing. So yeah, I don't know why the mount command doesn't work on Android, but it is what it is. So anyway, open this bad boy up and you should see the build prop somewhere. But apparently you, oh, there we go, system, there we go. So yeah, go into system, then here's the build prop. Cool. So what you want to do is right click on this, click save, and then what you want to do is, I don't think this will work if you save it directly here. Yeah, so what you need to do is you need to save it to your desktop first. Build prop. And now what you want to do is you want to open up your thing again. Yeah, and then choose the vendor image because we need the vendor props as well. Great, so this will open up a new thing down here. And then there it is. So this is the vendor build props. Now you want to call this something special. Now let me go back to the script here because yes, there is build prop, there is system build prop. Is there vendor build prop? Or what's this thing called? So it should be something like vendor. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, and vendor build prop, which needs to be called this vendor build.prop. So copy that name, and then you want to save this file, but you want to save it as the vendor build props nicely inside your fucking desktop, like so, and then you can close out of this. All right, so now we need to actually copy those files over. So let me go into here. So here's my phone mounted to the PC, and go into, yeah, actually we can paste them here. Yeah, so we'll paste them directly into here, so that's fine, like so. All right, so yeah, now on the phone, if we do a refresh, we should see vendor build prop and build prop. So now all we need to do is just run the fuck you script. So yeah, go back to terminal, and you can exit out of root because actually we do need it, never mind. Yeah, we do need it, I forgot. Anyway, so yeah, go back into your folder and what was it called? Why you do this? All right, now all you want to do is you want to type in bash and then with your script name. So yeah, whatever you called it. Bash isn't accessible. Well, fuck you then. Instead of bash, just type in sh. Okay, so it looks like, so yeah, the script will actually tell you what you need to do. So yeah, this thing, this build prop would need to be renamed to system build prop, which is fair enough. And we also need to add product build prop. Okay. That is fine. So product is probably going to be here somewhere. Yeah, we have a product image, which is 2 gigabytes. Jesus. So yeah, we need to run this Explorer again. Okay. Now open up this bad boy. And choose the product thing here. So open that bad boy. Wait a couple of minutes for it to copy over. Yeah, so I like the script. It's actually pretty good. It literally tells you what you need. Because before, well, for the Asus ROG Phone 5, Jesus, I only needed to extract the build prop and the vendor build prop. Maybe that's why it didn't work, but we'll see how it is. Yeah, so I don't think I created anything. Let me just move all this shite out of the way. Yeah, so normally it would generate a new file here, which we'll use in a bit. But yeah, just need to wait for this trash to finish. Oh shit, I lost the file dialog. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Yeah, well, hopefully after all this effort it actually fucking works, unlike last time. God damn it, man. So much pain is involved in this shit. Come on, man. Come on. Alright, there we go. So, where the fuck could it be? Well, highly doubt it'll be here. So we're looking for some sort of build fucking props. Nope, that's not it. No, is there a way to fucking find shit here? What's this? Yeah, there's no real way to find shit. God damn it, man, I fucking hate this shit. Framework, maybe? No. Okay, lib. No. No. No, won't be here either. Overlay, maybe. Build props anywhere? No. Should be normally in a fairly obvious place, like. Oh, there it is. Okay. So it's inside etc for what the fuck was this called? Oh yeah, product. Yeah, so this thing is inside etc. Goddamn, it's all over the fucking whatever. Anyway, save this to desktop as well. So this will be called product build. Like so. And then just copy it over to the fucking phone. And hopefully that will be the last thing we need. Okay, so yeah, back to this bad boy. So now if I run ls, you should see that we have system build, vendor build, and product build. So let's try running this thing again. Oh, so yeah, there we go. We got this fucking custom pif fucking thing. So yeah, that's what we need to get. Now, next thing is we need to copy that custom fucking pif into this folder here, or into this file here. So what we can do is we can cp shit, what was it called again? So it generated the custom pif, so we need to do cp custom pif, and we want to copy it into data adb, and then pif.json, like so. Then to check that this all worked, what we can do is, instead of the copy, we can just do a cat. So delete all this shit and just type in cat, then boom, and yeah, so that should be all good. And we also probably want to change the permissions of this fucking thing. So if we do an ls la, it is only read and writable by root. So what we can do is we can do, because I don't think this can be running as root, so chmod, or yeah, chmod, and then we can do 755, or not even, yeah, 755 will be fine. Then this thing here. Now if we do an ls la again, so now it should be readable and writable by everyone, so that should be fine. Now at this point, what you want to do is you want to open up Magisk, and what you want to do is you want to install this dev fucking module, and then all you want to do is you want to reboot your phone, like so, and hopefully it should work. You can close all this shit. I'm also just going to delete all this shit from my PC since it's not needed, like so. Oh yeah, and also do not copy like my fucking fingerprint. Use your own from another device, because if we all use the same one, Google is gonna ban it like it banned all the other ones. So let's see if this actually fucking worked. And if it did, that'll be great. And if it didn't, that'll be sad. I'll just need to keep trying new devices. But I have a good feeling that this will work. Alright, so my phone is back, or it's rebooted. So let me just fire up the monitoring again. Okay, there we go. Let's try and go into the integrity checker fucking thing, and let's see if it actually worked. No, it didn't. Okay, well, looks like I'll need to play around with more of these fucking fingerprints. God damn it. But yeah, this is basically the process of how you do it, how you generate your own fucking pif thingy. But yeah, that's what you do. That's how you do it. So yeah, good luck. And thank you boys for watching. And bye bye.